Before we jump right into the image, I think let's go and work around with the name first, because names to be pretty easier than image. Okay, so what I do is I look into the data, right? Inside the data, I'll see results, and in results, it's the an array, and in one single element, I can see the name. Okay, this is 3D man, and this is the name A bomb. So let's plan to display the name first and then image later. My plan is to create a row of information, and create each row contains 4 columns. Okay, and let's see our code right now. In our code, we have the container, which is this one. Okay, and inside our container it contains h1 and the message. I would like to add another div for our Marvel container, so it's going to contain the name of the character as well as the image. I made a mistake. Okay, again, this div will contain the image from our JavaScript. Okay, it shouldn't be the class, it should be an ID. Okay. All right, then in my JavaScript, I would love to get the element Marvel container equal to document.getElement by ID. Our ID is Marvel container. Good. Okay. Alright, since our data is in an array, we need to loop through data.result. Okay, for I want to loop through it first. Data.result. Okay, I++, and I would like to create the new variable element. Element is data.result at the index I. Before we do anything, just try to console.log first. I expected to see the name of the character in my console. Okay, let me open up the console very fast. Okay, refresh. Well, why don't I see any data? What did I do wrong? Oh, results. Result with S guy. Still doesn't work. Let me debug. Okay. Dot length. I forgot dot length. Okay, let's try it again. Good. And this is the character name. Then it means we are ready to put the character names in our page. Okay, we need to create a row, and I would love to create a variable called string. Okay, and we need to create a row. Let's get started with first row. Div class row. Okay, and we are not going to end to finish the row. We will add the data first. Okay. Inside row, we need a column. In each loop, right? We need to create a column. Div class call md. Since we need 4 columns, then it's called md5. Okay, and let's close the div of call md5. Good. right? And we need to close the row and open up another row. We will close the row and open up another row when I, let me think, I plus 1, not I. When I plus 1 mod 3 equal to 0. Okay, so it's gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4n and start a new one, 4n and start a new one. Okay, what we are going to do is to create a new row and to close the row, to close the last row, close the last row and create a new row. Save and see. Nothing. I forgot to display our data. Okay, we don't need console.log anymore. So what we need is string plus equal. Let's go for h3. Okay, data, no, not data, element dot name and plus h closing h3. Save and run. Well, why? I'm sorry. I constructed a string. String will contain the row, column, data inside column, and the closing row and open the new row. But I forgot to add it into our Marvel container. After the loop, we should call Marvel container dot inner HTML equal to string. Good. Seems to working fine. Okay, in the next video we will add an image. Okay, stay tuned.